Is your iPhone 13 side button giving you trouble, preventing you from easily accessing Apple Pay? Don't worry, you can still make secure purchases. First, let's dive into your iPhone's accessibility settings. Tap on the Settings app icon. It's usually a gray gear. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find Accessibility, and tap on it. This section allows you to customize your iPhone's features. Now, look for Touch, then tap on AssistiveTouch. This feature is your key to simulating the side button. Toggle AssistiveTouch on. It's the switch at the very top. Once enabled, a virtual button will appear on your screen. You can drag it around to place it anywhere that doesn't obstruct your view. Tap on Customize top level menu. This is where we'll add Apple Pay functionality to our virtual button. If you have an available empty icon, tap on it. If not, you may need to replace an existing one. Then, choose a function from the list. Select Apple Pay from the list now. When you tap the AssistiveTouch button, the Apple Pay option will be available. Now, you can tap the AssistiveTouch button, select Apple Pay and authenticate with Face ID to complete your transaction. Making payments is now easier than ever.